the first thing we're going to go through is your OnGuard online training. So this is a training course that you do online. You'll complete your units. You can do this at school, in class time, or you can do this at home as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is to show you how you can access OnGuard and then to be able to register and then begin your training units. So I'll just log out first. Now, if you don't have the link for the OnGuard, the easiest way to find it is just on the student portal. So if you go to the student portal page, looks like this. You'll have all these different icons, tiles for different links. We want to click on the tile that says OnGuard. That's this one here. Now, if you don't have if you are working on your own device or you're at home and you don't have the student portal link, I have sent you a copy of the link for the student portal, but also a link for OnGuard. It's important that you go through that link because that's connected to the department training system. If you go into Google and you Google OnGuard, it will not allow you to log in. So the first thing now you're going to do is click on the first down icon and put in Upper Coomera. Select that. Now, if you have never used OnGuard before, you're going to need to set up or register your account. I have already created an account for all of you. However, so what you're going to need to do is you're going to have to activate it. So we'll just select our school, which is Upper Coomera State College, and then we'll go next. You're going to put in your user ID. Your user ID is just your student username. That's the same as your email address. So it will be the first letter of your first name, followed by the first 4 letters of your surname. There's usually a number after that. So let's put the first one in. This is just a test. Your passphrase, so if you have not yet created an OnGuard account before, your passphrase to start off with will be OnGuard, all lowercase. So you'll put in OnGuard, ONGUARD. Now, if you already have an account, you've already created an account and you've done online training units on OnGuard, you can just put in your passphrase that you have already created. So just showing you that there. Login. This is for the first login. Now what the system will ask you to do is to create a new passphrase. Create a passphrase that's new. Make sure that it's a strong enough passphrase. Also, what you'll be required to do is to write your password down on your diary, write it in save it to your phone or your laptop. Just make sure that you have recorded your password in case you forget it. Okay, so we're going to go change, success. Now, in case you forget your password, it's going to give you a security question. So just click on the down arrow and select one of the questions here that you can choose to be your password recovery question. Let's do that and submit that. So now that you have created a password and you have also created a password recovery, we can now enroll in the course that we need to do. So that's by selecting a new course. And the available courses for your year level will appear in this window. So this orange box, there's a window there. Select, so find the class code that you are in. So if you're in my class, it will have your year level and then the code for the subject you're in. So for this one, it's 10, year 10 and TMT, materials specializations. And so check the box and then confirm the course selection. From here, now it will tell us that we are enrolled in this course. We can click on that link. And this now shows us all of the training courses that we have available. This is not all of the courses, so I've only released I've only released some of the courses, so I slowly and gradually release more as we go on through the term. To complete your course, obviously here, it will say start. This window will appear, so what you'll need to do is, okay, looking at the basic types, read through, next. So read through the general induction, all through the information on the left-hand side. There's even a video for you to watch, so information's there. And then you can go through the quiz. So the quiz, you must get each question correct for it to be able to have you completed that unit. If you do not get 100% on the quiz, it will lock you out for about 2 or 3 minutes. In that time, go on to the next course, complete that, and then come back to this course. So complete the questions. So go through. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.